नमः सर्वेभ्यः। I think we are able to hear. Yes, Cynthia. Namah sarvebhyah. Can you hear us?
Yes,
Namaste.
namaste.
Yeah. Arambam kurumaha. Now the third one, Prapanna Parijatya. Can you tell on your own? Sudha madam. Sudha Bhagini. Sudha Bhagini. Devi Bhagini. Can you hear?
Yes, I can. Do you want me to start? I will give a try.
We can't unmute.
Huh? Is Sudha Bhagini wants to go first?
No. Go ahead.
Okay. Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vetraika Panaye Jnana Mutraya Krishnaya Geetamruta Duhe Namaha.
Very good. Very good, madam. Radhika, madam.
Madam. Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste.
Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vetraika Panaye Jnana Mudraya Krishnaya Geetamruta Duhe Namaha.
Uttamam. Darshini, madam. Sri Devi. Nagaratna Nagaraj, madam. Nagaratna Nagaraj. Bhagini. Sudha Bhagini. Sudha Bhagini. Unmute madakagala anta. Now we'll go to the next one, madam. Sudha. Devi, madam. Devi Bhagini. Dhanalakshmi joined. Dhanalakshmi Bhagini.
I can. I'm unmuted now, sir. Which one you want to? Sarvopanishado?
No, Vasudeva Sutam.
Oh, sorry. Vasudeva Sudam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum.
Good. Well, Sudha madam, now you can recite the third one. Prapanna Parijataya.
Now I can recite. Yeah, I will recite. But please allow us to unmute. We can mute ourselves.
Otherwise, we have unmuted everyone.
Okay, thank you, madam. Now I will chant this one, Prapanna.
Yeah.
Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vetraika Panaye Jnana Mudraya Krishnaya Geetamruta Duhe Namaha.
Very good. Next one.
Next
Fourth
shloka
one.
you take.
Vasudeva Sutam.
Okay. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum.
Nagaratna Nagaraj madam. Bhagini.
Yes, madam. Madam, it is not on the screen, madam. Please.
We will do it. Screen. The third one, the Prapanna Parijataya.
Yeah, I'm not able to see the shloka on the screen.
1 second.
Enlarge it, ma'am. Enlarge it. It is
Madam.
very small.
Prapanna
Huh.
Parijataya.
Yeah. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Good, good. Shall we go ahead now? Next one.
Can I
Have I
say?
missed out anyone?
Yes, I
Kushala.
didn't say.
Yes,
Yeah.
Kushala, sorry.
With third one or fourth? Third and fourth,
Both.
both I should say.
Yeah, both,
Okay.
both.
Okay. Prapanna parijataya totra vetreka panaye jnana mudraya krishnaya gita mrutaduhe namaha.
Geetamrita Duhe Namaha.
Gita mrutaduhe namaha.
Good. Next one.
Okay. Vasudeva sutam devam kansa chanurya mardanam devaki paramanandam krishnam vande jagadgurum.
Okay, good. Madam,
Thank you.
Nagaratna Nagaraj madam, the third one you have not recited. Prapanna Parijataya. Nagaratna Nagaraj madam. Nagaratna Nagaraj. Shall we go to the next fifth one? Bhishma Drona.
Okay, we'll go.
Not unable, not good. Sudha madam, start.
One time, please chant, madam. This is a long one.
Yeah. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadratha Jala Gandhara Nilotpala Shalyagrahavati Krupena Vahani Karnena Velakula Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara Duryodhana Vartini Sotirna Khalu Pandavairananadi Kaivartaka Keshavaha.
Okay, madam. भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः.
Uttamam. Next, Devi madam. Devi Bhagini. Devi Bhagini. Radhika. I think they are unmute.
Devi can't unmute herself. You have to unmute her.
Sorry, I unmute myself, mute myself after somebody is reciting, so I don't want to have a disturbance. I give a try with this one. It is a long one. Bhishma Drona Tada Jayatrata. Can you say one more time for me? Sorry.
Yeah, I will tell. You will recite. Bhishma Drona Tata.
Bhishma Drona Tada. Bhishma Drona Tada.
Jayadratha Jala.
Jayadratha Jala. Jayadratha Jala.
Gandhara.
Gandhara. Gandhara.
Nilotpala.
Nilotpala. Nilotpala.
शल्यग्राहवती
शल्यग्राहवती शल्यग्राहवती
कृपेण वहनी
कृपेण वहनी कृपेण वहनी
कर्णेन वेलाकुला
कर्णेन वेलाकुला कर्णेन वेलाकुला
अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण
अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण
not अश्वत्थाम अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण
अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण
not अश्वत्थाम अश्व सरस्वती अश्वत् शाश्वत like that अश्वत्थाम how you raise how ashwa
Ashwathama
Yes.
is not
Yeah.
right.
correct now no not
Ashwath-
shwa
Aswa, huh?
shwa
Is that-
shwa
Aswa, not.
Ah.
Oh, sorry.
ashwa
Ashwa.
Ah,
Yeah, I
correct.
will practice it.
yeah
Mm.
ashwathama vikarna
Aswathama vikarna.
ghora makara
Goramagara.
ghora makara
Goramakara.
duryodhanavartini
Duryodhanavartini Duryodhanavartini
sotirna
Sotirna Sotirna
खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी
Khalu Pandavairananadi Khalu Pandavairananadi
कैवर्तकः
Kaivartaka Kaivartaka
कैवर्तकः that half ha should come there are two dots nisarga
Okay.
now you can see
Kaivartaka
कैवर्तकः केशवः
Kaivartaka Kesavaha.
now can you recite on your own
Aswasthama I need to practice, but I will try. Bhisma Drona Dada Jayatrada Jala Kandara Nilotpala Shalya Grahavadi sorry
ग्राहवती
Salya Grahavadi Krupena Vahani Karnena Vela Kula Aswathama Vigarna Gora Magara Duryodhana Vartini Sotirna Khalu Pandavairananadi Kaivartaha Keshavaga.
very good a good try very nice practice madam
Thank you.
Nagaratna madam please unmute yourself you have muted Nagaratna Nagaraj
Okay, madam.
now recite
Bhishmadronatata Jayapradha Jala
Jayadratha.
Gandhara pardon, madam.
Jayadratha
Jayadratha Jala Gandhara Nilotpala Shalyagrahavati Krupena Vahani Karnena Velakula Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara Duryodhana Vartini Sotirna Khalu Pandavai Rananadi Kaivartaka Keshavaha.
Radhika madam Radhika Darshini
Madam, we are not able to unmute. It was actually now only
no
it
you
got
must have
opened.
muted it just check mute yourself now see you unmute you have muted Radhika madam unmute
Yeah.
ah.
Now
Good.
I'm okay. Yeah, okay. Bhishmadronadata Jayatratha Ghantaranilotpala Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्ण घोरमकर दुर्योधनावर्तिने शोधीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरननदी कैवर्तः केशवः.
Very good, very good. Now shall we go ahead now? Next one.
No, I didn't
Yes.
say, ma'am. Kushala.
Anyone? Oh, Kuta, sorry. You can do it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. भीष्म द्रोण तटा जयद्रथा जला गांधार नीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण घोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोतीर्ण खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तक केशवाः केशवाः
Keshavaha.
केशवाः
Keshava.
But so, little bit, you know, you have to be like it's in a Gandhara Nilotpala, like that. You have to open your mouth now. You are
Okay,
very
can-
good in that one. Huh?
Oh,
Now,
okay, should I
Now,
repeat?
have I left out any? Yeah, you will do it. Have I
Okay.
left out anyone? No. Then
No.
Rikushala madam, repeat.
Okay. भीष्म द्रोण तटा जयद्रथा जला गांधार नीलोत्पला
Not
शल्यग्रा
Jayadratha. It is Jayadratha Jala.
Okay.
Jayadratha Jala.
Okay. भीष्म द्रोण तटा जयद्रथा जला
Don't say
गांधा-
Jayadratha. It is only Jayadratha. I think it is on the screen also. You can see.
Okay. भीष्म द्रोण तटा जयद्रथा जला गांधार नीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण घोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोतीर्ण खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तक केशवः
Kaivartaka. Ha in between. There is a
हाँ,
visarga. You
Kaivar-
can see.
Yeah,
There are two
Kaivar-
dots.
yeah. कैवर्तक केशवः
Kaivartakaha. Ha should come.
Okay.
Kaivartaka Keshavaha.
कैवर्तक केशवः.
Now, shall we go ahead? Have I left anyone? Next one. You want me to recite or you will recite by yourself? Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am. If
Yeah.
you don't mind, recite one time.
Okay. Parasharya vachas. See, in between vachaha and sa, I have put half sa. Parasharya vachas sarojamamalam Geetartha gandhotkatam Nanakyanaka kesaram Harikatha sambodhana bodhitam. Again I repeat. Parasharya vachas sarojamamalam Geetartha gandhotkatam Nanakyanaka kesaram Harikatha sambodhana bodhitam. Will you be able to do it? Devi ma'am?
I will try, ma'am. Parasharya vachas sarojamamalam Geetartha gadotkadam
Gandhotkatam.
Geetartha gandhodgadam Nanakyanakakesharam Harikatha sambodhana bodhitam.
Now you have to stress wherever there is, see the underlined words are there, no? There you have to stress the word. Shall we repeat once more?
Okay. Parasharya
Parasharya vachaha. There, no? Parasharya vachas.
पाराशर्यवचः पाराशर्यवचः
सरोजममलं
सरोजममलं सरोजममलं
गीतार्थ
गीतार्थ गीतार्थ
गन्धोत्कटं
गन्धोत्कडं गन्धोत्कडं
नाना
नाना नाना
ख्यानक नानाख्यानक ख्या ख्या
Yeah.
नाना
Good, good. Sorry.
नानाख्यानक
नानाख्यान नानाख्यानक नानाख्यानक
केसरं
केसरं केसरं
हरिकथा
हरिकथा हरिकथा
संबोधना
संबोधना संबोधना
बोधितं बोधितं
बोधितं बोधितं
लोके सज्जन
लोके सञ्चन लोके सच्चन लोके सच्चन
षट्पदैरहरहः
षट्पदैरहरहः
Now I will
षट्पदैरहरहः
there are two dots. Can you see the two dots before
yes.
the pa? So you
Mhm.
have to put if fa. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to continuously I will tell. Loke sajjana षट्पदैरहरहः
लोके सच्चन षट्पदैरहरहः लोके सच्चन
पेपीयमानं मुदा
पेबीयमानमुदा पेबीयमानं
not
मुदा
baby no पेपीयमानं मुदा पेपी
पे पे
पेपी
पेपी
पेपीयमानं मुदा
पेपीयमानं मुदा पेपीयमानं मुदा
भूयात् भूयात्
भूयात्
भारत
भारत
पंकजं
पंकजं पंकजं
भूयात् भारत पंकजं
भूयात् भारत पंकजं भूयात् भारत पंकजं
कलिमल
कलिमल कलिमल
कलिमल प्रध्वंसी
प्रध्वंसी
प्रध्वंसी न
प्रध्व-
श्रेयसे
न श्रेयसे न
न
श्रेयसे
न श्रेयसे
न
There is
श्रेयसे
half sha in between na and sha. There is a half sha. See, there are two dots in between na and
Yeah.
shri. So you
Mhm.
have to put sha, half sha.
Yeah.
Pradvamsi na shreyase.
प्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे प्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे
Good, good try. Now next, Sudha madam. Sudha. Sudha Bhagini. Sudha, unmute yourself. Sudha
Okay.
Bhagini.
Got it now. Yes, you have to
Yeah.
give that. Okay. पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयत् भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे.
Good, very good. Next, Radhika madam. Radhika.
able to unmute. Okay. Thank you, madam. पाराश्चर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेशरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितं लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः वेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पङ्कजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे.
Very good, madam. But in between Kalimala and Pradvamsi, don't leave the gap. Kalimala Pradvamsina Shreyase.
One word, okay. Kalimala Pradvamsina Shreyase.
Good try,
Okay.
good try. Next,
Thank
Kushala Shetty, madam. Kushala, madam.
Yes, yes, I will say. Parasharya vacha sarojamamalam Geetartha gandhotkatam Nanakyanaka kesaram. That it's gone. I can't see. Hello.
Ha. One second. That it was time out, so we have extended 10 minutes. That is the reason it has blank.
Okay, okay. Can you enlarge that? I
Yeah,
can't
we are doing it.
Yeah. Thank you. Parasharya vacha
Not
sarojamama.
Parasharya. Parasharya Vachasaro. There in between the cha, there are two dots. Can you see sa and sha?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have to put sa in between because the following letter is sa.
Okay,
After cha, the sa. In between two
Okay.
dots are there.
okay. Parasharya vacha sarojamamalam.
Slowly.
Parasharya vacha sarojamamalam Geetartha gandhotkatam Nanakyanaka kesaram harikatha Sambodhana bodhitam Loke sajjana shatpadairaharaha Pepiyamana
Now, see, in
mudaha.
between ha and pe, there are two dots. Visarga, can you see there? Two dots.
Yes,
Because
yes.
the following letter is pa. So you have to put F there.
Okay.
So, loke sajjana shatpadai raha. Fa. Raha pepi yamanam muda.
Loke sajjana shatpadairaharaha Pepiyamana muda Bhuyad bharata pankajam kalimala pradvanshina shreyase.
Very good try. Madam
Thank you.
Nagaratna Nagaraj, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Now I
Yeah.
got them.
Ah.
Parasharya vachasarojamamalam Geetartha gandhotkatam Nanakyanaka Harikatha Sambodhana bodhitam Loke sajjana shatpadairaharaha Pepiyamanam muda Bhuyad Bharata Pankajam Kalimala Pradvamsina Shreyase.
Pradvamsinas, no. Pradvamsinas, nash,
Yeah.
sha, half sha.
Okay.
Pradvamsinas,
Bhuyad Bharata Pankajam Kalimala Pradvamsina Shreyase.
very good. But you have to stress all the letters underlined here. That's
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
Otherwise, too super. So,
Yeah.
have I left out anyone? No. Then I think the time is going to be, right? Finish the time. With 6 minutes, huh? So, shall we go to the next? Vasudeva
Yes, ma'am.
Sudam? Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mukam Karoti. Who will tell? Sudha Bagini. And Nagaratna, madam, you only say.
Yes, madam. मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्.
Very good. Only thing is you have to put little tune to that. You listen to Janani ma'am's recording. Sudha
No, this is
madam.
first time I haven't listened,
Oh.
madam. This is the first time I read
Oh,
it.
very nice, very nice. Devi,
I'll-
Radhika madam. Radhika.
Shall I
Sudha.
recite?
Yeah,
Shall I recite? Okay.
yeah, whoever it, yeah.
मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्.
Radhika madam.
मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्कयते गिरिं यत्कृपादमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्.
Devi madam. Devi madam.
Yes, now I can. Mukam karodi vachalam pangum langayate kirim yat kripatamaham vande paramanandamadhavam.
Good. But that gha and dha, you have to see the underline one. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langhayate girim yat krupatamaham vande paramananda madhavam. You have to stress that. So otherwise, a good try. Kushala madam. Kushala madam.
Okay.
Kushala. Huh.
Yes. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langayete girim yatkrupatamaham vande paramananda madhavam.
Now,
Hello?
madam, recite once more.
Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langam yate girim.
Now
Yat
listen to
krup-
me. Mukam karoti vachalam. Say,
Mukam karoti vachalam
two times.
Mukam karoti vachalam
Pangum langayate girim.
pangum langayete girim pangum langhayete girim pangum langhayete girim
Yat krupa
yat krupa
tamaham
tamaham
vande.
vande
Yat krupa tamaham vande.
yat krupa tamaham vande
Paramananda madhavam.
Paramanandam Madhavam Paramanandam
Nandam no,
Madhavam
Paramananda.
Paramananda Madhavam.
Okay. So we'll meet on Monday, all of you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you,
Please listen to Janani ma'am's recording and then you can practice yourself till 7.
Okay, thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadam, Magini.
Dhanyavadaga.
Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ. Can you
Dhanyavadaha.
please
We'll see.
consider that Thursday class to Friday, ma'am? Please, Thursday we have Pravesha.
Okay. Well, ask others also. If they are ready, then I will take it on the Friday.
Can you please put that message in the group so that Monday and Friday is good for us,
I
everyone?
will write it. I will write.
Thank you. बहुत धन्यवाद.
So, yeah. Dhanyavadaha.
उत्तमम्. शुभसायं. पुनर्मिलामः.
After everyone's recitation, please mute yourself so that others can, like that, they can unmute
Yes.
themselves.
When we are muting our thing and you are also muting it. So when we want to open, it's not opening. That's the problem.
Okay, we will try.
If you don't unmute anyone, so we will only mute and unmute.
No,
We will
what
have the
happened?
control.
Yes, we will do that.
Yeah, so that everybody, somebody is telling, we can mute it. When we are telling, we will unmute it.
Okay, okay. Then we will do that.
Yeah. Thank you so much. ma'am.
Dhanyavada. Yeah, we'll see you
ధన్యవాదాలు.
on Monday.
Yeah,
Monday.
Monday.
Okay.
పునర్మిలామి.
Punarmila.